definitely magic light. These are clear diamond crystals that have been carved, the dished out places. On one side have a coating of titanium, so we've got a dished out egg shape and then facets. Okay? Nice big fat facets that are easy to see, and they're to accentuate the stone, okay? Because diamonds like to sparkle. They're very bright because they capture the light. The way we cut them, the planes of cleavage are facing outwards. Imagine a V shape, and that's put a whole bunch of them together on either side of the V, and that's what the crystal shape is, and then we cut it. And because of the way they crisscross each other, it does this magic with light. And those carbon atoms align themselves in little perfect rows and columns. And they do so in groups of 13. 13 atoms make up the unit cell. And so here you have a reflection on each of those layers, passing up and back and through and around. And it makes magic light because those crystals have carbon-14 in them. And carbon-14 has an extra neutron. And that neutron wants to lose the mass of an electron to become a proton. And it does so half the population of carbon-14 radiates out that mass of an electron every 5,500 years, thereabouts, 5,700 years, something like that. Anyway, it's not long. It's fairly short, and it happens when light hits carbon, and it causes those electrons to be emitted. It is a beta emitter, and that's why diamonds glow, huh? Because they're slightly radioactive from the carbon-14 in them. And what they do, when light hits them, those carbon-14 atoms start giving off this electron, but they're borrowing electrons from all their neighbors, because all their neighbors are joined together in a double covalent bond, and so they can never get rid of all of that mass of an electron, which is 80 thousandths of the mass of a proton. Okay, so a hydrogen atom has one proton and one electron. That neutron and extra neutron in carbon-14 wants to give up that mass. And so these stones are not only passing light through from my lasers, they are emitting magic light. It's electrons that are leaving that stone at the same wavelength as the light that excites it. Okay? So that's why you see all these way cool colors and stuff. And it's heading up there. And it goes to my ceiling. And let's see if we can. There it is. It's the eye of the dragon. It's coming from both guys. And that guy over there. See, and that guy over there is also emitting electrons in the wavelengths of light that are hitting it, and I'm passing them up through two of the biggest darn diamonds anybody's ever seen, man. There's that, and plus the little stand underneath of it is 5 kilograms, 5,000 grams. There's 5 carats to a gram, so that's 25,000 carats. That one is somewhat less, and I don't know what it is. I don't really care. It's big. And they emit light. See, there's no light on this stone, but it is emitting in those wavelengths that you see there, because it's been excited by the light passing through from these guys. And that right there may be the most amazing thing I have ever seen in my entire life. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is indeed magic light.